Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to a 33-degree day where behind us we have Targa West. You can see some of the race cars lining up on Riverside Drive just here. Less talking, let's go look at some of the cars. And yes, the thumbnail car and title is here, which will be at the end of the video. Like, subscribe, do all that business, because you know, why not? Let's go. Things that's on at Targa every year, right on the banks of the Swan River, is a car show. So you can literally park your car right here, river's here, it's freaking amazing. So from here all the way down to the bell tower, you can kind of see they go on quite some time. They're all little car clubs and they're all awesome. Let's go check some out. You know I'm talking about Stancy boys. Love this. This thing has been on my Instagram a couple of times, if you're interested. The centers are like this really cool glitter. Very, very sick. Alright, let's go check out the Rotary Club. As promised, the Rotary Club. I absolutely love these. I love this plate as well. For anyone that doesn't know, New Zealanders absolutely love rotaries. Like, they literally will have them as daily beaters. They're usually non-turbo, but rev the shit out of them. So that plate is very sick. Let's go check out the RX2. And of course, the Lambo crew are here. Not a Senna though, is it? For any of the Lambo people watching, that's a joke. I really love Lamborghinis too. I'm just f***ing with you. Good to see Keelan representing the Honda gang in his EG6. This has almost every spoon part from the catalogue. Literally everything, almost. The only thing missing is missing the engine as the cars start behind me. This is literally the start line just here. Let's go check out some of the Hondas. tried to get this before the crowds arrive, but it's going to pull a crowd all day. This is Perth's McLaren Senna. I can't believe I'm saying that, but that is a hypercar, the brand new Senna. Absolutely mental. It's got exposed carbon fiber. Let's go take a closer look. So I can't believe I'm doing a walk around of a carbon exposed Senna, but here we are. So the carbon is a $400,000 option. It's more than paint, which I know people are like, why does it cost more to not paint a car? But McLaren spend 1,000 hours lining up all the carbon, right? So all of the carbon between all of the panel gaps will all line up. That's not an easy feat. The logos in the end plates, 250 hours to put those in. This car is 3 days old. It was only delivered last week. And here it is at the Targa West. Ridiculous. Can we just stare at this for a bit? Oh. Alright, so that's going to be the end of today's video. To be honest, I was filming all day yesterday. So hot. It's 34 today. Hope you enjoyed this little short video, and of course the Senna, the highlight of this weekend. As always, like, subscribe, do all that business which helps me get more videos, more content. I love you all. See you in the next video.